So you have a Samsung Galaxy S21 and you forgot your password and you're not able to do a factory reset because you have to turn off your phone first to do a factory reset. But when you try to turn off your phone, it's asking you for a password. So for example, if I go ahead and try to turn off my phone now, I'll power off. But hey, what if I forgot this password? I'm not able to turn it off. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what to do. Okay, now watch very closely, and this may take you a few times. It may take me a few times as well. Let's see what happens here. So the first thing that what we want to do is we want to force it to restart. So we're going to press and hold the volume down and power button. We're going to press and hold and do not let go. As soon as the screen turns black, we're going to count to 10. After 10 seconds, we're only going to let go of the volume button and press and hold the volume up button. Okay, and we're never going to take our finger off the power button. Okay, so we're going to do this together. Hopefully I get it on the first try. Let's see. Volume down, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Oops. Let me do it again. Oh, okay. Let's do it again. Ready? Volume down, power. Ready? Go. Press and hold both buttons. I'm still holding. Continue to hold. Volume down, power. I'm still holding. I'm not letting go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now just press and hold the volume up. I never took my hand off the power button, so now I'm holding volume up and power button, and I'm still holding here. Samsung logo, go ahead and let go, and let's see if this worked. Okay, if it didn't, then I'm going to give it another try. So, okay, it worked the first time, and then simply from here, you want to go down to white data / factory reset. You can use the volume rockers to move up or down. So what you want to do is just go down to white data / factory reset, and to proceed you want to tap on the power button here. Now you get this message here basically saying once you do this it cannot be undone. Okay, so if you want to proceed with the factory reset, go down and then go ahead and tap on the power button, and then it's going to perform a factory reset. After about like a minute or two, when everything boots back up, you'll be back at the very beginning of the phone as if you bought it brand new and took it out of the box, and you have to set it up. You got to choose your language, your Wi-Fi password, and all that good stuff. Okay, so hopefully that helped you guys out. For me, I'm not going to do the factory reset. I'm just going to cancel it, and I'm just going to go ahead and reboot system now. Anyway, if you guys still have issues, comment below. Also, let me know how many times it took you guys to get into the Android recovery menu. Okay, good luck, guys.